2023, I'm in there. I actually really got muscles while you playing. Like, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hey girl, hey, my name is Nashara. Thanks for joining me today. And if you are not new, what's up, friend? It's nice to see you again. Welcome back. What's poppin'? I hope everybody's hope everybody's having a good day today, y'all. I had to drag myself out of bed to get productive today. I'm down super bad right now. I got a pimple on my freaking forehead, and y'all, I do not get pimples, so I'm very distraught. Don't even look at my hair. I should have mentioned that before I even started the video, because if you're new and you got on here and you saw how my hair is right now, you're probably like, click out, fucking exit. Like, why did you feel comfortable enough to come out here looking like a hooligan? Anyways, but this is the real. I'm not no fake. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to YouTube, boo, I ain't no faker. Oh, how my hat get over there? Y'all already know the vibes. One thing about your girl, I love me a good hat moment. One thing about it, if my hair looks crazy, I'm throwing a hat on. I'm not the type to just look crazy. I'm just not. I'm sorry. I can't do it. Never gonna do it. Not my thing. So y'all, I'm gonna go get me some food. I might hit the craft store because I'm gonna do some arts and no. Absolutely not. I want to do like a painting. I think we have canvases here. I'm not completely sure, but if not, I'm gonna have to go get one. Yeah, that's that. But I'm freaking starving. I was gonna DoorDash something, but I have to go up to my suite anyways to get my SD cards. I left all my SD cards at my suite like a dummy, so we have to go do that. And I actually wish this would stop doing that. This is when layers don't need to be layering, because at this point in time, this is not the look we're going for. I need you to not do that, like, for real. Do I want to straighten this? Is it like a straight hair moment or no? No? I don't know. Alexa, connect my phone.
Searching.
Siri? Is Siri? Bitch, do you know your name? I was gonna put a little makeup on, but quite frankly, I'm the type of girl that looks better without makeup. If I'm not doing a complete full face, I just don't see the point. Does that make sense? I don't know. I just feel like if I was to put makeup on, it would make me look bad. I don't ever look bad. That's a stretch. It really wouldn't do anything for me, if you want me to be honest. So we gonna be natural today. I gotta find an outfit. So while my curling iron is heating up, that's what we're gonna do. Okay. Hey, let me tell y'all something. He's so sweet. I told him I was hungry, y'all. I'm gonna cry. Y'all need to come up here and get you one of these. What's that? A nigga that keeps you fed. I'm corny. Cause you know I'm skinny. Like, come on now. Like, first of all, when let me tell y'all something. If you even want to get in the roster, you gotta be able to feed me. I'm skinny. I can't be out here starving. No, boo.
Alexa,
turn volume to 10.
By the way, I can automatically set your volume to 3 every morning before you wake up.
I quite frankly
like
did not ask. No, just
No
turn
problem.
just turn the volume to 10.
Calling my shit like, hold on. She tryna fuck some all of my trap phone. Slide if you want to, wait too tough. You finna leave with your back blown. Move work easy, slick on grease. Wrist nice out, it's too long. Nigga, I'm
Okay, next caller. We were only there for the first part. She a real rough rider. Let me give her Honda. I make her eat a perk. A shawty, a survivor. She a hood queen and her name is Renata. Okay, hold up, wait a minute. All good, just a week ago. Crew at my house and we party every weekend. So wake up in the morning, I got murder on my mind. And two gon' bring his hood back from the ghetto. And my bitch super bougie and the kickback and stilettos. Look like a polar bear hugging me. Girl, get on top and make love to me. Love me forever, don't never get tired of me. Okay, y'all, we are about to head out. But we're pink down today, boo. The keys is pink, you know the vibe. And I got a pink charger. Ooh, sunny today. Oh, shit. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. And on my beating heart. Okay, y'all, I think I'm gonna go get a tattoo. Let's do it. Hi, could you do this for me, possibly?
Possibly, or you want me to do it?
I want you to do it.
You want it right in your hand?
Yeah, same spot. I'm probably the most impulsive person you will ever meet. I'm here, I'm living in the moment. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. I'm hot. Wait a minute.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dirty. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You
I ain't shy, busted wide, cause I been that bitch. What's up, y'all? I'm at home now. Freaking tired. I'm gonna show y'all my freaking tattoo. I'm gonna take this tape off of it though, cause it's, for one, not sticking. I love it. It's so cute. Ah! Where's my... Y'all, this is her. I love it. Yes, y'all, it's so cute. I don't know if y'all can see. I'm trying to give y'all the angle that I'm looking at it from. Yes, look how cute. Yeah, y'all. Oh my god, you didn't even see it. My tattoo, you see it?
It look good right there.
I know. I think it's so cute. It's gonna be so cute once I finish everything. Oh my fucking god, I'm about to get irritated. I love it so much. Look how cute it looks. Rocky, say hi. I'm gonna show you my room so I can do my hair. I can't do my hair with the y'all. Oh my god, let me show y'all my new nose piercings. They're so cute. This is the first one. It's like a little dangling one. Isn't it so freaking cute? And then I have this one. It's a hoop, kind of like the one I have in, but it doesn't dangle. It's just like a little stud. It's so cute. And y'all, I spent literally $100 at the beauty supply store over some fucking bowl hole. Cause who the fuck was gonna tell me bowl hole was that expensive, girl? I would have stayed Team Ghost Bond. Like, come on now. Cause last time I checked, Ghost Bond was only $20. But one thing about me, when I go to the beauty supply store, I'm gonna get a whole bunch of stuff I don't need. I don't know who told me to get this shampoo right here. It kind of just looked cool, and now I feel fancy. Now I feel like a freaking hairstylist. I got this lipstick. It's like matte red. I thought it was so cute. It's like a dark red though, cause I have this same one, but it's like a bright red. I wasn't digging it. It just wasn't giving at all. Then I got some got to be glue for my edges and some bio silk for my hair. I heard this was good. I seen this on TikTok too. See, the TikTok girlies be making everything sell out and be making all the prices go up, because once y'all post y'all products, y'all know everybody and their mother and their cousin finna go get it.
Put me on no time, I ain't late. Still rockin' by money bake. Sit back and roll a whole eight. Smoking that shit to the face. I call it cool, different race. Get on the car, hit the gate. Ain't seeing no slum of the day. Trouble, you come from the hate. Straight back and off, ain't wait. Starting off in the fast lane. Smoke a whole box to the brain. Sliding that Benny move, same. 2018, a new range. Slip through that shit, ease the pain. Like you a simple pain. Rico and Sack on these saints. Doing that shit that you can't. Jump on your bit like a saint.